welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a haul video. So over the weeks I bought a couple of stuff. It's all from different brands. So I thought I'll just show you guys today whatever I shopped. Basically it's all different pieces. I bought a kurta, kimono and off-shoulder top and all of that. So I'll quickly show you guys whatever I bought. So the first one is this floral sleeveless top. I love the neck of this one. It has a very deep sleeve. So it's just the basic top that is perfect for summer. So this is the front and this is the back. So I bought this from Tibet Mall. I paid around 350 rupees. The heat in Bangalore has finally kicked in and I cannot believe that Bangalore has become so hot. You really can't wear anything other than sleeveless and cotton material stuff. So I think this is perfect for summer, and you can also wear this during the spring and fall. And the next up is one of my favorites because as you guys know, I love boho prints and tribal prints. This is again from Dubai Plaza. So this is how it is. It's like a spaghetti peplum top which has a tribal print on it. So this is how it goes. This is the front. And this is the back, and it has these small pom-poms at the end which makes it look really cute. And this is again perfect for summer, and I paid 350 rupees even for this one, which is a great deal I feel. There is a new Tibet Mall on Brigade Road which is right next to the Rex Theatre if I'm not wrong. So that's where I picked this up from. So they had a sale, so all these tops were around 350 rupees. So I was lucky that I found all that I love, because usually when I go they either don't have my size or they don't match my price, because I don't like going to Dubai Plaza and paying prices which you would pay for branded clothes, because the quality is pretty medium. I wouldn't say it's a high class quality like what you get in good branded clothes, but the quality is pretty fine. You can use it for 2-3 seasons. If you're a person who maintains and takes care of your clothes, then I think it'll last you long. So that's what really matters for me. I'm not a brand freak. For me, the quality has to be good and the piece has to be good, and it needs to be stylish, and if it goes with my style, then I make sure I pick it up no matter where it is and which brand it is. That's what really matters for me. And the next up is this gorgeous kimono. I was actually looking for a kimono since a really long time. I asked all of my friends where to pick up kimonos and they suggested a few places where I did check it out and they did not have it. I actually wanted a kimono for my Egypt trip. If you guys don't know, I visited Egypt last month and it was really great. You can check out my Egypt vlog down below. I'll link it down. I have an Egypt vlog and also my Egypt lookbook. So I bought this kimono right before going to my Egypt trip. I cannot wear this now because it's peak summer in Bangalore, but I just wanted to show you guys because this was again new in my wardrobe. I love this kimono. It's so gorgeous. You can wear this on ethnic wear and western wear. So this is how it goes. I love the print and I love the fact that it is black so that it matches with most of the colors. So this is the front and this is the back. So for this kimono I paid around 550 rupees. Again, I bought this in Tibet Mall. And the next up is this gorgeous, okay, sorry, I have to reverse it. And the next up is this gorgeous yellow kurti. I just love this yellow color. I think it goes perfect with my complexion. And I love the fact that it's just a plain kurti. This is how it is. This is the front. And this is the back. And it's pure cotton, so I can wear it in summer. And this one is short in the front and back at what am I saying? This is short in the front and long at the back, and since it's really plain, you can style it up with wearing a lot of jewelry on this. You can pair this with boho jewelry, statement jewelry, or you can also pair it up with waistcoats and jackets and all that. So it's a perfect piece if you want to style it with other clothes, or you can just keep it simple by just pairing it up with your denim or the ankle length leggings. And the next up was a steal, guys. I just walked into Splash and they had like up to 80% off or something, but this was not now. But I totally forgot that I bought this one and it was inside. And when I was looking at whatever I bought recently, I found this one and I was like, oh shit, I totally forgot. So I thought I'll just add this in this video. So this is a gorgeous denim maxi dress. I love this. And can you guys just guess how much I paid for this one? I just paid 300 rupees, which is a steal. When I saw the price, I was like, I don't care whether it's fitting me or no. I'm just going to pick it up because I can always alter it later. And this is how it is in the front. And it has this elastic material behind, which is so great because it gives a perfect fit no matter what body type you are. So I love the print on this as well. You can wear this in summer and in spring. I just love the way it doesn't come in contact with your body. I just feel like I have it on me, but at the same time I feel like I don't have it on me. And then the last one, guys. This is one of my favorite because I love off-shoulder tops and I love stripes, polka dots and checks. And this is a combination of stripes and off-shoulder, which is my favorite. This is the top. I can pair this up with blue or black denim, or I can also wear it with red pants, which will jazz it up a little bit. This is one of my favorites in today's video and I just paid 350 rupees, and again I bought this in Tibet Mall. So this is the front and this is the back, and I love the fact that the sleeve is separate, so this doesn't keep coming off on top. Even if I lift my hand, this just stays here, and that's what I like about this styling, because the sleeve is different and then the shoulder part is different. So we have come to the end of today's video. That's it for today, guys. So I hope you guys liked today's video. If you have any questions relating to the price or the place where I picked it up from, you can leave your questions down below and I'll answer them for you. If you like this video, make sure you give a thumbs up, and if you want to see more such videos, make sure you subscribe to my channel and stay tuned and turn on the bell notification so that you will be notified every time I post a video. And you can also follow me on Instagram and Facebook. I'll link it down below in the description box. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!